My name is Randy Ellis. In these sessions, we'll preview some of the prerequisite material for our course on nonlinear data analysis. The purpose of these is we want to recall the prerequisites. So we're assuming that you already know some basic linear algebra, and you should know the prerequisite linear analysis that precedes this course. The goal here is we want to recall the main concepts of the prerequisites. I don't want to go into the details, but I will give you an overview of the main ideas in the linear data analysis course. So the main concepts for these sessions are, we'll begin with linear algebra. We'll recall what a matrix norm is compared to a vector norm. We'll recall what it means to take a vector, project it to a vector space, how that is basically the same as linear regression, and we'll explore some standardized data that these are techniques that we'll use very frequently. We'll also recall the singular value decomposition and principal components analysis. We won't go through them in detail, but we will hit the main concepts. In linear data analysis, we'll go through unsupervised and supervised learning. What that really means is we're going to look at clusters and data labels, and we'll end these sessions with an exploration and recall of what a confusion matrix is for binary classification and what the receiver operator characteristic curves means in this context.